Episode 9, The Heat is On, Efficiency. Why heat pumps are the future of home comfort. Welcome back to the show, everyone. I'm your host, Tyler Tradesworth, and today we're tackling a topic that's not just about staying comfortable in our homes, but also about making smart choices for our wallets and the planet. The incredible rise of heat pumps and energy-efficient HVAC systems.
Hey everyone, Tori Tradesworth here. I've been really looking forward to this episode. It feels like heat pumps have gone from being a futuristic idea to something everyone is talking about. I'm even seeing them pop up in my neighborhood.
You're absolutely right, Tori. What was once considered a niche technology is now rapidly becoming the go-to solution for heating and cooling our homes. And this isn't just anecdotal. The data overwhelmingly supports this shift. The heat pump revolution. Why now?
So let's dive right in. What's driving this massive surge in popularity for heat pumps? Why are they suddenly the it thing in home comfort?
Well, the biggest factor boils down to efficiency. Think about traditional gas furnaces. They work by burning fuel to create heat, and a significant portion of that energy is often lost in the process. Typical gas furnaces operate at around 80 to 95% efficiency. Now, compare that to heat pumps. Instead of generating heat, they move it from one place to another, kind of like a refrigerator in reverse. This ingenious process makes them incredibly efficient, often achieving 200 to 300% efficiency or even higher, especially in milder climates like ours here in the Midwest.
That's mind-blowing. So for every single unit of electricity a heat pump uses, it's essentially delivering 2 to 3 times that amount of heating or cooling power?
Precisely. And this translates directly into significant savings on your energy bills. The U.S. Department of Energy estimates that homeowners who switch from a traditional heating system to a heat pump can save hundreds of dollars each year on their energy costs. In some regions with higher fuel prices, those savings can be even more substantial.
Okay, the financial benefits are clear. But what about the environmental side of things? That's a big concern for a lot of people, myself included.
Absolutely. That's the second major driving force behind the heat pump revolution. We're all aware of the urgent need to reduce carbon emissions, and our home heating and cooling systems contribute significantly to our overall carbon footprint. Gas furnaces burn fossil fuels, releasing greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Heat pumps, on the other hand, are powered by electricity. As our electricity grids transition towards cleaner and more renewable energy sources like solar and wind, using heat pumps becomes a much more environmentally friendly way to heat and cool our homes. The International Energy Agency, IEA, has even stated that heat pumps are a crucial technology for achieving net zero emissions by 2050. They project a massive increase in global heat pump sales is necessary to meet these critical climate goals.
So, we're seeing this undeniable shift away from traditional gas furnaces towards electric-powered HVAC. Is this a trend that's expected to continue, or is it just a passing fad?
This is definitely a long-term trend, Tori, and several factors are fueling it. Government policy plays a huge role. Many states and the federal government are now offering significant incentives and rebates to encourage homeowners to install energy-efficient heat pumps. For example, the Inflation Reduction Act includes substantial tax credits for the purchase and installation of qualified heat pump systems. This can make a real difference in offsetting the initial cost for homeowners.
That's great news. I know the upfront investment in a new HVAC system can be a major hurdle for many people.
Exactly. And these incentives are specifically designed to help overcome that financial barrier. If you're a homeowner interested in learning more about these federal incentives, I highly recommend visiting the official energy.gov website. We'll include a direct link in our show notes for easy access. Furthermore, we're even seeing some states and municipalities considering or implementing policies that will gradually phase out the installation of new gas-powered appliances in favor of electric alternatives. This sends a clear signal about the long-term direction of the HVAC industry. In fact, a recent report by Guidehouse Insights projects the global heat pump market to reach over $100 billion by 2030, highlighting the massive growth and investment in this technology.
This all sounds fantastic for homeowners and the environment, but what does this shift towards heat pumps mean for the professionals who actually install and maintain these systems?
That's a critical question, Tori. The increasing adoption of heat pumps is creating a significant and growing demand for HVAC technicians who possess the specialized skills to install and service these more advanced systems. Heat pumps operate on different principles than traditional furnaces and air conditioners, requiring a different skill set.
So it's not as simple as just swapping out an old furnace for a new heat pump.
This shift to heat pumps isn't just transforming home energy use, it's reshaping the entire HVAC industry. As demand for skilled technicians continues to surge, the need for comprehensive training and a strong talent pipeline has never been greater.
That's where N, ST, NLP, and NCTT Academy step in. With over 101 years of experience in skilled trades education and workforce development, NSTNLP is the driving force behind training today's HVAC professionals through its industry-leading programs. Whether you're an experienced technician looking to specialize in heat pump technology or a newcomer entering the trade, NSTN ensures you gain the hands-on training, certifications, and expertise employers are actively searching for.
But we can't stop at just training today's workforce. We also need to build the workforce of tomorrow. That's where NCTT Academy comes in. Through innovative K-12 programs, NCTT Academy is exposing young students to careers in skilled trades, technology, and entrepreneurship, ensuring the next generation is prepared, skilled, and ready to lead.
And think about this. As heat pumps and energy-efficient systems become...
Explore the full conversation at tradestechpodcast.com, where 101+ years of skilled trades expertise meets cutting-edge tech insights. Thanks for joining us on the Trades Tech Podcast. Until next time, keep building, keep innovating, and let's close the skills gap together.